Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us for 12 News at 4. I'm Troy Hayden. Tram has the day off today. We're starting with a crash that shut down part of Interstate 10 all morning and also left a young child dead. Investigators believe it was a tire blowout that caused this rollover crash. 12 News journalist Tricia Hendricks has more.
Sky 12 above the scene along I-10 eastbound near Queen Creek. DPS says an SUV's tire blew out and the driver, a mom with her son in the passenger seat, lost control and ended up in the dirt median, then swerved back onto the roadway. But that's when DPS says the SUV started to roll and was hit by a pickup truck. The mom was taken to the hospital with minor injuries as her son died at the scene.
I got down to see them.
4 people in the pickup truck were not hurt. Pablo Bop was one of them.
We had to get the lady out because she was stuck underneath.
Pablo tried to help get the mom out of the car.
We were going to get the young man out, but he was already dead. She was under the car, the seat, and when I went around to get the other one, I couldn't.
Right now, there are no criminal charges pending. However, during the investigation, troopers were able to pinpoint the cause.
A tire failure did occur. The driver was just not able to control it as it entered the dirt median.
During the investigation, troopers consider specific factors.
The temperature, are the tires all matching? Were they aired up the same, the ones that are remaining?
Garcia says low tire pressure or inappropriate tire pressure, according to the manufacturer's direction, can cause some excess wear and heat.
So we try to tell them about how dangerous that is.
It's something Glen Hayward with Good Works Auto Repair in Tempe sees all too often.
They have tire damage, their tires are low, their tires are bald.
And the extreme heat here in Arizona only makes matters worse.
Our temperatures on our roads today, here in Arizona at least, get over 400 degrees. The rubber gets so hot it starts to wear faster.
Which is why it's crucial to get our tires checked on a regular basis.
To change your oil every 5,000 miles, a reputable shop will always look at all of your tires.
If you want to do a quick check at home, use the penny test.
Put it in the tread depth, and if you can see the top of Lincoln's head, you're okay. If you can't, the tire's already worn out.
Or in this case, a quarter. If you can see the top of Washington's head, it's worn out and it's time to be replaced. In Phoenix, Tricia Hendricks.